In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and hit Screen Lock. Finally, tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then choose Confirm. Now you need to decide what you wish to do with lock screen notifications by picking one of those options. And when you finished, hit Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on. Icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!